Welcome to the Gold Coast, Queensland, a perfect blend of sun-kissed beaches, lush hinterlands, and vibrant cityscapes. Our adventure begins at Tallebudgera Beach, a tranquil haven known for its sparkling turquoise waters and soft golden sands. This beach is not just a spot for relaxation, but also a favorite among families for its safe swimming zones and calm waves. Historically, the area has been a significant cultural site for the Kombu-Meri people of the Yugambeh language group, who cherish the creek for its abundance of marine life. A short walk from the beach brings us to Tallebudgera Creek, a natural paradise ideal for kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing. Its name, derived from the Aboriginal word meaning good fish, reflects the creek's historical importance as a fishing spot. Surrounded by lush greenery and picnic areas, it's the perfect place to unwind and connect with nature. Our next stop is Burleigh Heads, where the rugged cliffs of the national park contrast beautifully with the pristine beach below. This area is not only a surfing hotspot, but also a sacred site for the Yugambeh people, who call it Jelargal. Follow the walking trails through the national park to discover panoramic views of the Gold Coast skyline and the ocean. Don't miss the chance to relax under the iconic Norfolk Island pines along the foreshore, planted here during the early 20th century to beautify the coastline. Venture inland to Lamington National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a sanctuary for biodiversity. Covering over 20,000 hectares, this ancient rainforest is home to more than 500 waterfalls and countless species of plants and animals, some found nowhere else on Earth. The park's history dates back to 1915, when it was declared a protected area to preserve its unique ecosystem. Take a stroll on the Treetop Walk or explore the dramatic Moran Falls and discover why this park is a treasure trove for nature enthusiasts. From dense rainforests to the serene Currumbin Valley, where verdant hills and tranquil farms await. Known for its eco-friendly retreats and wildlife sanctuaries, the valley is a perfect escape from city life. Visit the Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary, established in 1947, where you can interact with native Australian animals or explore local farms offering fresh organic produce and artisanal goods. Heading south, we arrive at Coolangatta, a charming seaside town that marks the border between Queensland and New South Wales. Named after a schooner that wrecked nearby in 1846, Coolangatta boasts stunning beaches like Snapper Rocks, famous for hosting world-class surfing competitions. Relax on the sands or enjoy a coastal walk with views that stretch across the border. Next, we explore the vibrant energy of Broadbeach, a modern hub of activity on the Gold Coast. With its chic cafes, upscale restaurants, and boutique shopping, Broadbeach blends luxury with leisure. Visit the iconic The Star Gold Coast Casino for a touch of glamour or stroll through Currumbin Park, where local markets and community events add to the lively atmosphere. Our journey takes us to Springbrook National Park, another World Heritage listed gem. Discover the mesmerizing natural bridge, a waterfall cascading through a basalt cave that becomes illuminated at night by thousands of glowworms. This park, formed from ancient volcanic activity, offers dramatic lookouts like Best of All Lookout, where views extend across the Tweed Valley to Mount Warning. Climbing higher, we reach Tamborine Mountain, a tranquil retreat offering breathtaking views, lush rainforests, and vibrant villages. Explore the gallery walk, lined with artisan shops and cafes, or visit local wineries to savor award-winning wines. Don't miss the Tamborine Rainforest Skywalk, a unique way to experience the beauty of the rainforest from above. We end our adventure with the glittering Gold Coast cityscape. From the towering skyline of surfers' paradise to the lively nightlife and cultural attractions, this city is the beating heart of Queensland's tourism. Its history as a holiday destination dates back to the 1950s, and it continues to charm visitors with its dynamic energy. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey through the Gold Coast, where every corner offers a new adventure. Like, share, and subscribe to I Love Moments for more travel stories. Until next time, keep exploring.